In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more labels in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to organize tasks, labels are a simple way to make everything easier to scan and sort. They can help you quickly identify priorities, task types, teams, or stages in a workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the label options, how to apply the labels that are already available, and how to rename them so they fit your project more clearly. To get started, open your plan in Microsoft Planner and go to the grid view. This view makes it easier to see your tasks in a structured list, and it's a convenient place to manage task details like labels. Once you're in grid, look for the option that says Add Label and click it. This opens the label menu for the task you are working on. In Microsoft Planner, labels are color-coded, which makes them useful for quick visual organization. Even though the wording might sound like you're creating unlimited new labels, what you're really doing here is working with the set of labels available inside Planner for that plan. After clicking Add Label, you can select from the current labels shown in the list. Simply choose the label or labels you want to apply to the task. This is helpful if you already have a label system in place, such as marking tasks by department, urgency, approval status, or any other category your team uses. Once selected, those labels become attached to the task and can help everyone understand it at a glance. You also have the option to edit the label names so they're more meaningful for your workflow. To do that, click the pencil icon next to the label, then change the label name to whatever best describes how you want to use it. Renaming labels is especially useful because the default color labels don't always explain their purpose on their own. Giving each one a clear name makes your plan much easier for everyone to follow. One important thing to keep in mind is that this process helps you customize and use the existing label system in Microsoft Planner more effectively. So if your goal is to add more clarity and better organization to your tasks, renaming and applying labels is the fastest way to do it. That's all there is to it. Open Grid, click Add Label, choose the current labels you want, and use the pencil icon to rename them if needed. With just a few clicks, you can make your planner tasks much easier to organize and manage.